Hi all, this is the Java series part 39. Now we will discuss about the super keyword. What is super keyword? Super keyword is nothing but the reference variable. The reference variable is also known as the instance variable that is used to refer the immediate parent class object. Okay, I repeat it again. Super keyword is nothing but the reference variable that is used to refer the immediate parent class object. Okay, when this type of super class object will be created, whenever we create the instance of the subclass, the instance of the parent class is created implicitly, which is referred by super reference variable. I repeat it again. Whenever we create the instance of the subclass, the instance of the parent class is also created implicitly, that is referred by the super reference variable. Okay, reference variable is also known as the instance variable. I hope you all understand what is super keyword and when the super reference object will be created. What are the usage of super keyword? Super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class instance variable. Super keyword is used to invoke the parent class methods, and super keyword is used to invoke the parent class constructor. Okay, in this session we will discuss about how the super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class instance variable. Okay, and here I have created two classes. Animal is the parent class, dog is the child class. Here I have implemented the single inheritance type. Okay, that means dog, that is the child class, inherits all the properties and behaviors from the parent class, that is the animal class. Okay, that means we can use the object of dog to call the methods from the parent class animal. Okay, and inside the animal we have one variable. Its data type is string and I have initialized. The value is white. Inside the child class I have created the same variable name color. Its data type is also string. Its value is black. Okay, and I have the method print color. What is the task of this print color? This is used to print the color from the child as well as from the super class, that is the parent class. Here I have used the super keyword. Okay, and here I have only the color. That means it returns the value of color that is present inside the dog, that is the child class. But this statement returns the color from the immediate parent class. Okay, so this is the reference for the animal, that is the parent class. So this statement returns the white and this statement returns the black. Okay, and I have created the one more class, test super 1. Okay, my file name should be same as this class name because inside this class only I have the main method. And I have created the object for the child class dog. New keyword is used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program. And here I have called the print color method. This print color method is from the child class dog. Okay, here I have used the object of the child class dog. After encounter this line, the control jumps from the 19th line to here, and this color returns the color from the child class dog. And here this statement returns the super dot color, that is the immediate parent class for this dog child class. So the immediate parent class means this one. This statement returns the color variable from the animal, that is the parent class. So we will get white. Okay, for this statement. Now let me execute this one. Here this is the output statement for this one and this is the output for this one. Okay, so this super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class object. That is, in this example, the super refers the animal object because this is the super class for this dog. That's why we got the white for this super dot color. And this color returns the black. This is from the child class. I hope you all understood about how the super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class instance variable. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.